Do you know what CBILS is? Well, it's the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme, where the government are providing financial support to SMEs across the country. Is it easy to get? Well, in this case, it's as simple as speaking to Hurco, and then Hurco will put you in touch with a couple of finance companies who will see if you are eligible. It's a really easy process to look into. And this machine here, the vmcs 60i, is a machine that you can get via CBILS. So Bradley, what is this machine all about?
So this machine is for your bigger capabilities, and this is a 3-axis machine with a large working footprint. And what you can do is go down the route of adding a 4 or 5th axis table onto this machine very easily because of the height that you've got in the Z travel, the room that you've got in there.
Okay, and the spindle?
So the spindle itself, the one that we've got on here, is a big plus, which means you have contact with the tool on the face of the tool and on the taper, which gives you more cutting capacity and a greater torque whilst you're doing your cutting as well.
And of course, with all of the Hurco machines, you've got that control system that everybody raves about.
Yep, so on this particular machine, they've got the dual control there, dual screen, all Hurco WinMax controls. Like this, you can do your conversational programming as well as incorporating NC as well. Really easy to program at the machine.
And to add to that, this is in stock, plus you get free delivery and installation on this machine. Dave Waghorn also said that a lot of the machines that he sold recently is via the CBILS scheme, or of course the bounce back loan, where you can borrow up to £50,000 and pay nothing for the first 12 months. So make sure you're getting involved and speaking to Hurco for more information.